We have here's the bird feeder hanging stations that you want to put more than one bird feeder on there. And yes, hang it up in the backyard in a nice level of height. So what we're going to do is open this up, show you what you get inside the box and how to install it, and see what comes in the back or front yard of birds. Please check online for further details about your product and the ones you are after. We have here are some screws, bolts. We have a strainer. We have a holder for the strainer to go to the pole. And we have the little bird bath, clear acrylic plastic, about 8 inches in diameter, and the holder that goes on the pole as well. Underneath, we have the instruction guide. We have the arch poles and hangers. 2 more additional ones packaged. These strong stakes that go in the ground crisscross to keep your pole steady and straight. And we have 5 poles nicely wrapped that we're going to extend. A very simple instruction guide to follow. Go over every single part and let's get started. In this kit, we have 7 wing nuts, and they simply go into each of the holes like so. Screw clockwise until it rests against the pole. Adjust the stakes to a 90 degree and tighten up. This end will go into the ground. Each pole has a thread made of aluminum. Take the one that is black to the silver, counterclockwise, and then clockwise gently start to screw in. Do not over tighten, make it tight enough. You're going to add the second pole, and then we're going to start to add the bird bath and strainer. Grab a ring, place over, and place to the height you like. Place the wing nut, and when you tighten down, you're going to make a mark and make sure that's where you want your ring. Grab the next one and place on. You have the option to place these on in different heights by taking the ring and turning them upside down. And tighten up. What we are going to do is lift up and place on one of the 2 hooks, and they go on like so with the wing nut. And then the next ring we're going to put right over here, just underneath the threaded rod. Place on another threaded rod. And adjust accordingly. Place on the next round one. And a wing nut. I stand 6 feet tall. And I got 2 more poles to go. When this is staked in the ground, it's about 7 feet tall. We have one more section to add. Before we add, you can see the point, round, and holes that are going to lock in the top supports. And this stands almost like 7+ feet tall. And we're going to hang up a couple of bird feeders to show you what this looks like. And we're going to adjust the bird trays and the arms to different heights and levels that suit our need. Each of the arms got a T. They're going to lock in. If you're not tall, grab a ladder so you could put the pieces on like so. You're given 2 extra wing nuts put to the side. Decide which side you want your trays in and place on. Adjust the height to your needs where you want them. When all set up, add your water, add your seed, add your bird hangers. This is the bird station, all hung up, ready to put outside. The bird feeder from ground up with the stakes is 87 inches tall, takes up to 5 seconds to take each of the trays out. Add your bird feed in, your water, and place on. The whole unit doesn't take that much at all to assemble. We're going to place this outside and put some bird feed into the bird feeders and add water and feed. Now that everything is assembled, then we're going to stake this in the ground by simply lifting up, finding a secure spot, giving a firm push down, placing your feet on, and pushing real hard into the ground. With your iBorn products, hang your bird feeders up, add feed. We're all set up. We have different iBorn bird feeders on there, and we have other stations that are hooked up. We have feed in the bottom tray and water, hummingbirds, and ornaments hanging on the bird station. We'll look at the bird station, how the birds come and attract with the feed.
Affordable health care is available to all who need it. And connect. Floss and reducing plaque above the gum line for a cleaner, healthier mouth.
Got him. If you are looking for your bird station that stands well over 80 plus inches, that fits into the ground very easy and simple to set up, I hope the iBorn bird station may be right for you. Enjoy watching your birds eat out of the bird station. Thank you very much for viewing, and I hope you enjoy your products.